now we would see about the usage of articles. And firstly, what do we mean by an article? This is a question that raises every time, right? So article is actually a word used before an adjective and a noun. Before adjective and noun, adjective and noun will come together, right? So it is directly written that before a noun. Before a noun means article is used before a noun. You take umbrella, noun; book, noun; elephant, noun; mountains, noun; sun, everything. The sun, right? Sun is a noun, so the is used before a sun, so it is an article. Means only before noun in English you will use articles now. Okay, this is the basic thing that every one of us should know. And articles are of two types. Okay, definite article and indefinite articles. The, the, the or the, okay, is used before there is a rule that would be discussed later. And an is used before there are some rules used before after the video of this, but today in this video specifically we are going to discuss about a usage, right? So a and an comes under indefinite articles and the comes under definite articles. Okay, means the is known as a definite article and a and an are known as indefinite articles. This is the first thing we have to know. And for a now, today we are going to discuss about the usage of a, right? So let me tell two things while we deal with a. Okay, two things. One is a is used before consonant sounds. Before consonant sounds. What do you mean by consonant sounds? In English we have 26 letters, like 26 alphabets, right? Alphabets are of 26 letters, right? So these 26, out of which 5 are vowels and remaining 21 are consonants. What are the 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U are the vowels and remaining B, C, D, F, like that. These are comes under what? Consonants. So before the consonants only you have to use the A. For example, ball. B is consonant. See what? For example, there is a question given to you in examination. What you have to see is that after the blank, for example, it is dash ball. Dash is the blank. After that, what you have? Ball you have. So see only the first letter B. First letters sound B. Ba. Ba means ball. Means started with consonant, sounding like consonant. So you have to put A. Easy. Then C. Cat, cake, cock, anything. Again you have to put A. Like that, before all the words starting with consonant sound, you have to use the word A. This is the fixed thing. This is the first rule. This is known to all, right? Because we have been learning since our childhood, right? So that is the first thing. Second thing, this is the main thing. Okay, mostly for 10th class, intermediate, degree, whatever the class would be, irrespective of the class I am saying here, the topics. So the mainly important bits would be asked only on the usage of A. Means, for example, you are given 5 questions in an examination. For example, I am going to write intermediate examination. Okay, in that examination, what I will get? Articles, 5 marks, out of which 2 marks would be on A. Only usage of A. Means if you learn A, you can write those 2 marks easily. I am telling about that now. Okay, carefully listen. Don't try to skip. Okay. Now see, it is A is used before the U and V sounding words. This is the difficult thing we have to remember. U and V sounding means useful. U. Okay. Umbrella. What we here we observe, umbrella means we know the usage of an. An is used. That is the other case. But what we have to remember here is U means useful. U, right? European. Even though it is starting with E, okay, E, we have to put A. Why? Because it is sounding like U. That is what I have said here. U and va, U. European, useful. You have to use A. European. A useful, not an. You might get into the confused situation like, yes, it is European, European, yes, European, we will put A. We will put an. You all would put an, right? So we should not actually put an there. We have to put A. Okay? Then for va sounding like 1 rupee note. Again you get confused like 1. O-N-E 1 started with O, right? Started with O. Then I have to put an. No. Here you have to put A. A 1 rupee note. A one-eyed person. A one-eyed person. A European. A useful. Okay. A university. Particularly if you are saying about university, you will use directly the university. But normally A university means these are the main important things. So in this way we will use the A now. There is no any other confused things. I will give 6 to 7 words, like 6 to 7 examples on this usage of A. If you prepare those, definitely the questions would be appeared from those. Okay, let's see the examples. We would see the next important and the usages in my next video. If you are not yet a subscriber to my channel, please do subscribe, and the support of yours is very important for me to get motivated and to do videos more on the English and the remaining mathematics every subject. So please help me regaining subscribers now, right? Help me getting shared more among your all friends and all your known ones, so that I can do more videos and try to ask the doubts. So that I can also upload the exercises related to your examinations, right? Thank you. And also press the bell icon. Thank you.